Today we are going to learn few of Chinese dishes. In that we are going to first learn fried wontons. Ingredients required are chopped fried chicken, chopped ginger, chopped garlic, chopped coriander, chopped green chili, dark soya, salt. Into your fried chopped chicken, add little ginger, little garlic, little coriander, little chopped green chili, little soya, little red chili paste. Mix thoroughly. Little salt, into your wonton sheets, add your mixture of chicken in the center, fold it, just seal it with water. Ready to fry. Fry it in golden brown color. Your wontons are ready to serve.